The United States is famous for having six time zones, but there is actually a seventh time zone that many people don't know about it. Where is it? Let's find out. First, a brief knowledge what a time zone is. A time zone is a region where all places use the same standard time. Time zones help people in the same area follow a common time for daily life. The United States is one of the largest countries in the world, stretching about 4,500 kilometers from east to west. It stretches across a huge distance, so one single time would not work for everyone. To keep local time accurate, the United States is divided into six main time zones. But before we learn about the six time zone, you will notice terms like UTC, EST, EDT. But don't worry, they are easy to understand and it will help you read time zones map correctly. So first, let's quickly learn what these terms mean. Once you understand them, the six time zones will be much easier to understand. Now, what is UTC? UTC stands for Coordinated Universal Time. It is the world's standard time and it is the reference point that all countries use to set their local time. UTC is based on the prime meridian on 0-degree longitude. You may have noticed that the Eastern Time Zone is sometimes written as UTC minus 5 and other times as UTC minus 4. So why does the time change? The answer is standard time and daylight saving time. Let me clear this. UTC minus 5 is a standard time. It is used during winter about November to March. The clock is 5 hours behind UTC. In the Eastern Time Zone, this is called Eastern Standard Time EST. Example, if it is 12 noon based on UTC, it is 7 a.m. EST in New York. Calculation 12 minus 5 hours equal to 7 a.m. Now, UTC minus 4 is daylight saving time. It is used during summer about March to November. The clocks are moved forward by 1 hour. The time becomes 4 hours behind UTC. In the Eastern Time Zone, this is called Eastern Daylight Time. Example, if it is 12 noon based on UTC, it is 8 a.m. EDT in New York. Calculation 12 minus 4 hours equal to 8 a.m. In simple manner, we can say standard time is a normal time used during the winter and the clocks stay at their regular time. But daylight saving time is used during the spring and summer. The clocks are moved forward by 1 hour. Now, let's look at the six main time zones of the United States. Let's focus six time zone. First, Eastern Time. UTC minus 5 standard time and UTC minus 4 daylight saving time. Eastern time is used by the eastern part of the United States. It is the most populated time zone and includes many states like Florida, New York, and Georgia. We are giving an example based on standard time and based on 3 p.m. UTC. It is 10 a.m. in New York. Students are just starting school and many offices are opening for the day. Second, Central Time Zone. UTC minus 6 standard time and UTC minus 5 daylight saving time. Central time is 1 hour behind Eastern time. Includes many states like Texas, Illinois, and Minnesota. Example, when it is 10 a.m. in New York, it is 9 a.m. in Chicago. Third, Mountain Time Zone. UTC minus 7 standard time, UTC minus 6 daylight saving time. Mountain time is 1 hour behind Central time, includes many states like Nevada, New Mexico, and Colorado. Special fact: most of Arizona stays on Mountain Standard Time throughout the year and does not observe daylight saving time except the Navajo Nation. Example: when it is 10 a.m. in New York, it is 8 a.m. in Denver. Fourth, Pacific Time Zone: UTC minus 8 Standard Time, UTC minus 7 Daylight Saving Time. Pacific Time is used on the west coast of the United States. Includes many states like California, Washington, and Nevada. Example: when it is 10 a.m. in New York, it is 7 a.m. in Los Angeles. Fifth one is Alaska time: UTC minus 9 Standard Time and UTC minus 8 Daylight Saving Time. This time zone covers most of the state of Alaska, which is the largest US state. Example of cities: Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau. Example: when it is 10 a.m. in New York, it is 6 a.m. in Anchorage. Because Alaska is far north, it experiences very long summer days and very short winter days. Now, sixth, Hawaii-Aleutian Time, UTC minus 10 Standard Time. This time zone is used in Hawaii and most of the Aleutian Islands in Alaska. Interesting fact about Hawaii is Hawaii does not observe daylight saving time, so its clocks stay the same throughout the year. Examples of cities: Honolulu and Hilo. But where is the seventh time zone? Many people think the United States ends with Hawaii, but the US also includes several overseas territories in the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. One of these territories is American Samoa in Pacific Ocean. American Samoa uses Samoa Standard Time. It is 1 hour behind Hawaii, making it a separate US time zone. That's why some people say the United States actually has 7 time zones instead of 6. If you count all US territories, the United States actually spans more than 7 time zones, including Atlantic Time UTC minus 4 in Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands, Chamorro Time UTC plus 10 in Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands. These territories use different time zones because they are located thousands of kilometers away from the mainland. So, depending on what you are counting, the United States can have more than 7 time zones. So, if you enjoy learning this amazing geography fact, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.